Hi, myself Prakriti Aradhya. I'm currently pursuing my BSc in PMCS in Vijaya College. I take this a privilege to talk a few lines about our college. To begin with, our Vijaya College is a perfect blend of curricular and non-curricular activities. Having served its pupils from the past 20 plus years and still serving, our well-reputed college has in it scholarly and proficient mentors who have versatile knowledge in their own fields. Through their effective teaching, our lecturers have not only helped me in my academic growth, but have also managed to effortlessly inbuild in me a perfection of practical applicability of the learned topics. Our fully equipped and well-designed laboratories have got me my first in-hand learning experience. As the corona pandemic hit this year, our whole syllabi was conveyed through online classes. It was a brand new experience for both the mentors as well as the students, but our mentors, as usual, helped us get through this arduous situation with ease. Apart from academics, our Vijaya College also conducts many other events like annual sports meet and various science and commerce fest, which has helped me to mold my physical and mental being and also has developed in me a sportsmanship. Our other service wings like NCC, YRC and NSS have inbuilt in me a sense of national duty, selflessness, courage, leadership and most importantly discipline. I have also procured my BHES scholarship which will undoubtedly help me in my further academic studies. The class-wise events that are conducted have also taught me to adapt myself to the changing environment. The commitment of our mentors as well as the non-teaching staffs to prepare us for the better tomorrow has been just incomparable. Today's education is the passport that we carry for the future and I'm glad that my college has given me the best one. Thank you.
Currently pursuing my final year in Masters in Commerce, and I am really grateful and blessed to be a student of Vijaya College, which is the most reputed college. I did my PU and undergraduation from Vijaya College, and I am grateful to be the student of the college. The institution helped me to develop a strong character and improve my discipline, and I can find a huge difference in me when I joined the college and what I am now. All the credits goes to the environment of the Vijaya College, which provided me to enhance my skills and also develop the personality overall. I don't know if it is possible for me to convey in words the sense of gratitude I feel towards the institution and the lectures of the institution. Being able to take my PU and undergraduation from Vijaya College over the past 5 years has been one of the best thing to happen in my life. The lectures, the institution have inspired me to achieve the level higher than I thought I can achieve. The guidance and the encouragement by the lectures during the days was invaluable. Without it, I would like to say I most surely would have been lost in seas seriously. And I have discovered a passion for learning and explore the new world of the other side, and for everything, for all the activities, the lectures stood as a backbone for me. For that I am forever thankful for the institution and the lectures of the Vijaya College, and by this the institution created me inspiring platform, I would like to say, to pursue my higher graduation and for the skill development in me and the overall personality development in me. I really thank the Vijaya College and the lecturers of the college who supported me for everything, and today what I am is from the institution and the lecturers of the Vijaya College. Thank you so much.
My name is Arpita Prakash. After my PU, choosing Vijaya Degree College was a great choice because it not only helped me in my academics but also helped me in career development. It helped me, teach me how to form resume as well as helped me how to attend interviews. Teachers really helped me in all kind of subjects by providing materials and told us not only to stick on textbooks because it helped us to gain perspectives in the subject. Apart from this, we had a lot of experience coming to Commerce Fest. It not only gave us theory experience but also practical experience, as we could host in the final year as well as we could participate in the first 2 years. And I also gained a lot of practical experience as we had to go to various colleges to attend various Commerce Fest. They really supported us to come up with new ideas, and during doubt clearing sessions we had a lot of fun and we learned a lot of new things. I am really grateful to Vijaya Degree College, and I want to thank all the teachers who has been very helpful for us in this fruitful undergraduate curriculum. Thank you.
Myself, Harini AP, a research scholar at Christ University. I am a proud alumni of Vijaya College, graduated in the year 2018. In June 2015, I set my foot in Vijaya College, eyes brimming with hopes and never-ending dreams. Today, where I stand is all because of Vijaya College and my dear teachers who helped me in the journey of self-discovery. I am highly grateful to this esteemed institution and my dear teachers. We are all one family and a proud Vijayats. What use would my life be without you all? Thank you.
Good day to all. My name is Virendra and I am currently placed as a finance business partner in the P2P department of Hindustan Unilever. I pursued my BCom from Vijaya College, and Vijaya College has had a huge positive impact on my learning curve and in me getting my dream job. The experience of the faculties and the real life examples which they share during the classroom teaching has been enabling us to think out of the box. The college also provides us with a lot of opportunities to develop our talent and to showcase our talent in various external and co-curricular forums like Vinyas, Vikasana and many more. They are really supportive for us to go to external fest, explore things, and that actually helps us to build and mold our careers and be fearless against our competition and beat our fears like public speaking and interviews. The faculties are very approachable and very committed towards bringing out the best in us. They will also invest time apart from their working hours, which is really helpful. And if we require any additional support, they are always there to help. I would like to thank all the faculty and Vijaya College for having a positive impact in my life.
Hi, I'm Supraja. I'm pursuing my final year BCom at Vijaya College. I have been a part of Vijaya College for 5 years. I proudly say it is my second home, as the college atmosphere is extremely friendly and welcoming. It is an amazing institution which provides me better learning environment. Vijaya College and the lecturers here have given me an opportunity in each and every field such as sports, academics, competitions and internships, which led towards my success. At Vijaya, it's not only about academics, it's an overall development of a student. And also the management and lecturers here enhance students' creativity by reinforcing hobbies and varied interests. Here at Vijaya, I have learned competing with my non-strength rather than other individuals. Credit to the mentors and lecturers who molded me to adapt to these changes in myself and accomplish the goal. Here at Vijaya, an alumni by the name Vijaya Vanijya Alumni, which helps financially for students based on merit, which in turn helps a student like me to achieve my dreams. In addition to that, Vijaya Vanijya Alumni give speeches and conduct seminars, which helps to overcome the falls and boost self-confidence. In particular, Vijaya Vanijya Alumni give speeches and conduct seminars about the real world, work culture and atmosphere. This has helped us to clear the interview. Last but not the least, the girl students are at ease at the presence of a women's redressal committee which acknowledges and assists concerns. I would blindfoldedly choose Vijaya College for my higher studies. I am grateful to Vijaya College for providing me an opportunity to be a part of this institution. Thank you, my dear lecturers, Vijaya College and Vijaya Vanijya alumni.
Hi everyone, I'm Shweta Sanmati, studying in 5th semester BCom of Vijaya College, RV Road, Bangalore. Our college provides plenty of opportunities for students academic-wise and their aspirations. I'm well recognized in our college and also the recipient of Vijaya Vanija Alumni. Vijaya Vanija Alumni provides financial assistance to students with higher aspiration and also provides training and employment. We are treated kindly in our college. Our teachers are friendly and supportive in nature and explain the subjects in the most easiest form. Campus interviews are held regularly in our college by renowned companies like Capgemini, TCS, Accenture, Gillette, and the name goes on. Our college gives prominence to sports and co-curricular activities like NSS, Youth Red Cross to boost the morale of the students, and our college conducts fests once a year, namely Vinyas and Vignan. Vinyas for commerce students and Vignan for science students to keep up with the upcoming business trends and technology. My exposure and experience in this college has tremendous impact on my career building, and also my teachers play an important role in my career guidance. Any queries and questions are sorted out immediately. Thank you and have a wonderful day.